this video, I'll show you how to crochet the sedge stitch. This stitch creates a soft, textured fabric that's perfect for blankets, scarves, dishcloths, and many other projects. For this demonstration, I'm using a number 4 medium weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook, but you can use any yarn and hook size that works for your project. My tutorials are in US crochet terms. Let's get started. The foundation chain is a multiple of 3 plus 2, so I've made a chain of 17. That's 15 for the multiple of 3 plus 2. And as with many things in crochet, there's more than one way to start the sedge stitch. You can either start by making a row of single crochet as your first row and then starting with the pattern, or you can start right in with the pattern. I'm going to make a row of single crochet first. So I'm going to skip the first stitch, and into the second chain from the hook I'm going to make a single crochet, and I'm going to single crochet in each chain across. When you get to the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. The chain 1 does not count as a stitch. So now we'll begin our pattern. We're going to make a single crochet into the very first stitch. We're going to make a half double crochet into that same stitch, and we're going to make a double crochet into the same stitch. So we have a single, a half double, and a double all in the first stitch. We're going to skip 2 chains, there's 2 stitches, and we're going to repeat that. We're going to make a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. And we're going to continue that pattern till the end of the row. So skip 2, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Skip 2, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. And if you need a refresher on any of those stitches, I've placed links to the tutorials in the description. When you have 3 stitches left, you're going to skip 2, and in the very last stitch, you're going to do a single crochet only, and then chain 1 and turn. We'll repeat that pattern in this next row. We'll start with a single crochet, and then we'll do a half double crochet, and then we'll do a double crochet. You're going to skip 2 stitches, and in this stitch, which is the single crochet from the previous row, you're going to do a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. So all your stitches will be going into the single crochet stitches from the previous row. So that would be your double crochet stitch, that's your half double, and that's your single. So skip those 2 stitches into the single crochet stitch, make your single crochet, your half double crochet, and your double crochet, and continue that till the end of the row. In the last stitch, the last single crochet of that row, you're going to do 1 single crochet stitch, and then chain 1 and turn. And you'll just continue that pattern until your project reaches the size that you want it to be. Once your project is the size you want it to be, you're going to finish with a row of single crochet stitches. So chain 1 and turn, and in each stitch across you'll make a single crochet. When you get to the end of the row, fasten off and weave in the ends. This is what it will look like. There are straight edges on the top and the bottom. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned that the first row can either be a row of single crochet stitches, or you can start the pattern in the first row. If you start with the pattern as your first row, it will look like this. The top and the bottom edges are wavy instead of straight. Try both ways and see which one you like the best. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell for more left-handed crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching.